Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable AirPods Follow iPhone for spatial audio head tracking on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Accessibility. Next, we go down and tap on AirPods. In here, tap on the AirPods that you are using. And then you want to swipe up to go all the way down to the bottom. And in the spatial audio head tracking section, tap on Follow iPhone. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off, or tap on the toggle button to turn it back on. And it said that when Follow iPhone is on, spatial audio for supported movies and TV shows will sound like it's coming from your iPhone instead of following your head movement. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings, or swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.